Welcome to our fantastic escape room. We are going to have lots of fun together. The aim of the game is to crack the codes in each room. So how exactly do you crack the codes? Each room has 4 types of buttons. One like this, another like this, another like this one, and this one. The first thing you need to do is to press this I button or information button, and in order to learn new material. Once you've done this, you move on to the next stage in the escape room. You will need to press this spanner button to practice the new material that you've just learned. Once you've finished practicing, you move on to the fun part of the escape room, and this is this button, the gaming button. The gaming button, when you press it, has many different games for you to play, and the most important thing about the games is that these games will lead you to unlock the escape room and reach for freedom. But before you can unlock, you have to, let's go back, you have to press this I information button, learn the material, then you have to practice the material on this button, then you have to play the games and reveal the codes which are hidden behind each game, and then finally you will be able to know the code which will release you out of the escape room when you press on this lock button. So, once you've pressed this and you write or choose the correct code, you can escape. And once you escape, you will come back to the main room and you will notice that one monster has received a balloon for all your efforts. So, lots of luck and enjoy the game. Bye!